Hello, I'm Tom from Dignity Lifts, and we're talking about troubleshooting a problem where when you push the up-down button on your lift, it seems to want to hesitate and then it doesn't lift or lower at all. And during this hesitation, it might seem like one side is trying to move, but then it stops. We think this is a problem that occurs during shipping. Your lift was tested before it left our warehouse. And then sometimes when they arrive, they have this problem. So it's rare, but we have a good solution for it. For the fix, you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. It helps move the process along if you have a drill driver with a Phillips bit in it. And you're gonna need one of the Allen wrenches that came with your lift, the one that was used to put the arms on. So. What we're going to do is we're going to take off the right side cover. This is when we say the right side, we mean the cover that is underneath your right elbow when you sit on the lift. So I noticed that the writing on my shirt might be backwards, and so that when I go to this side, it may seem backwards. But make sure it is the cover that is under your right elbow when you're sitting on the lift. It is also beneath the light up knob. So before we work on the lift, we're gonna unplug it. So I'm gonna do that now. Mine is plugged into an extension cord. I hope yours was plugged into a GFI outlet. So to remove the cover, we're gonna take out all of the Phillips head screws that are in each of these holes. The one back here seems to require a long screwdriver. My drill doesn't fit in there, so that comes out as well. Then you will also need to take out two of the Allen screws that are connect this cover to the crossbar. There's one on the top and one on the back. And they are the innermost Allen screws. They look like this. So after those are removed, you should be able to slide this cover out. And it slides, notice how it's still wrapped around the rear crossbar, but it will slide out of position, like so. Here is where we think the problem occurs. This is the brain of your lift. Each of these two plugs go to one of the actuator units that lifts the lift up and down. And we think that in shipping, one of these two plugs has come unplugged. So we want you to try to push them up. They need to make an electrical connection. After you've pushed them up, we can plug in the lift briefly. It will initialize, and then you can try the up-down buttons. If everything works properly, we're gonna reassemble by moving the cover back into place. Oh, in the process, you might wanna remove the little dummy battery. Move that back into place, reinstall our Phillips head screws all around, and the two Allen head screws that go back here that attach to the cross member. Again, we're really sorry for the trouble. In the future, we didn't really anticipate things getting beat up this badly in shipping. In the future units, we'll have something that holds that connector in place during shipping and forevermore to prevent this problem. So I'm very sorry for the trouble. That is the fix. If you're not able to make this fix yourself, or you don't have a handy person in your family, let us know. Come to dignitylifts.com, send us a message, and we'll try to send a repair person out to your home to fix it. So thanks again. I'm Tom from Dignity Lifts. We're really serious about helping you use the bathroom effectively and easily and independently. So we apologize for this hiccup along the way, but we're committed to fixing it for you. Thank you.